Do you want to learn how to reignite romance in your relationship? Then here are simple 3 steps. Step number 1. Use romantic words. Romance is an atmosphere of love with something new, something exciting in your relationship. Like animals, we are also sensory beings, which means we get excited if something appeals to our ears, our eyes, nose, tongue, and skin. And out of all these senses, the easiest to appeal are the ears. So say something to your partner that appeals to his or her ears, which means you can say something which is good about your partner. So find out that positive trait about him or her. You can notice anything about his or her looks, his or her personality, and just say it to him or her. Come on, there are so many of them. And you used to say them to him or her in the early days. Also, ask about your partner's day, about his or her friends, about his or her work. And then let your partner share. If your partner shares something good, say, "I'm so proud of you. I really love you for who you are, for what you've created. I knew you'll always do that. And these things about you attract me so much." And if your partner mentions something negative that happened to him or her in the day, say to him or her, "Oh, my sweetheart, I'm so sorry. I can understand how you're feeling, but I'm with you. I really love you for who you are." And when you say all these things, give a hug or a touch on the shoulder and maybe if possible a kiss. All these words will definitely appeal to your partner's ears. Now, best is to use these romantic words face to face. Otherwise, you can also send these things in text. Text to your partner, "I'm missing you so much right now." If you do that in the day, he or she will suddenly get excited. "Oh my God, something is there." Also, you can make it a bit naughty. You can text, "I can't wait to hug you. I'm missing your touch." These words of romance will definitely reignite some new feeling in his or her mind. You can also use the words in physical form, which means you can just write a handwritten note or a sticky note saying, "I love you, I miss you, you're important to me," and you can put that sticky note on the bathroom mirror. So when your partner goes there, he or she will get excited with that gesture of yours. There used to be a famous song by Bee Gees. "It's only words, and words are all I have to take your heart away." Trust me, these lines hold true in this generation also, and will always remain true. Step number 2. Do things together. The next senses that you need to appeal are eyes, nose, and the tongue. So you can plan that dinner together, that romantic dinner, and it need not be in a 5-star restaurant. It can also be in your own home. Put the candles on, the fragrance on, and to appeal to the eyes, dress up really well. I know you understand what I mean. You also have to be kinesthetic in doing those things together with your partner. It can be guitar or salsa, cooking, ice skating, anything that your partner also likes to do. And the most romantic thing that you can do with your partner together is taking a dance class together. Go! Don't wait for it. Just book that dance class for your partner and yourself. And then you can practice that dance in your bedroom, in the kitchen, in the living room, wherever. Just put that slow music on and get in that slow dancing with your partner. When you move in sync with your partner's moves, it will fill the room with romance everywhere. Step number 3. Use romantic touch. Romantic touch distinguishes a couple relationship from all other relationships. Intimacy is all about closeness emotionally and physically. And when you blend both of these intimacies together, romance reaches at its peak. Touch creates that love and that connection between the two of you. And you do not have to shy. You just need to jump into the river, and then the river will flow you into it. Trust me, it's not as hard as you think. But if you are shy, it will always remain dry. Of course, you need to start slow. You can slowly get into that romantic interaction by holding hands, by hugging, or a back rub. And then you can take that romantic interaction slowly higher and higher. But do remember to create that presence, be there in that moment. Feel that love and show that love to your partner while you're into that act. Trust me, it's all very easy. All the romance was there in those good old days when you started the relationship. And you can do all of that even today. Just take the lead and initiate without noticing the responses of your partner. If you judge how your partner is responding to your initiation, you won't be able to make it. We at Mind Tigers offer one-on-one personalized training program where you get a personal coach who helps you do those right things and build that right habit to create love back into your relationship. You get to learn those daily habits, those daily actions for 49 days by doing only 5-minute exercises every day. So do remember to like the video, to subscribe to the channel and press the notification icon so that you can get to know about our next videos. Till then, good luck!